Good morning,
Very good morning.
Yogi Virendra Yogi,
Yes, sir.
a Fakir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the importance of true love of a woman in men's life?
Oh, wonderful. Dr. Satnarayan, you have asked a very remarkable question. Today you are a very successful person. Then you must remember in your life there must be some kind of great lady who really inspired you, motivated you, and gave you a lot of encouragement to never quit, to never give up. So you behave like a superhuman. That's why you are one of the most successful person on the globe, on the earth. Not only I tell you in the region of Bibinagar, Telangana or India, but if you really see your achievements, crores of rupees worth wealth, and the children are all great doctors. That has been only possible because of the true love, the inspiration and the motivation and the encouragement of a woman. The woman may not be your wife. Most of the time, wife are not that great women. Like you see, that great Socrates, his wife was the most wicked lady. Very wicked lady. She was trying to destroy his peace of mind and everything. But still she was a woman. That's why Socrates tell, by all means you must marry. If you get a good wife, you can behave like a superhuman being and become the happiest person. But if you get a wicked wife, like he had, you can become a philosopher like Socrates. You understand?
Yes.
So you have both types of situations in your life. You must have got a wicked person and must have got a super loving lady. That's why you are successful. So you are a philosopher, Satnarayana, and you are simultaneously a superhuman being. Now you were telling me there is a Telugu song related to the power of the love of a woman and what Dr. Nageswar Rao was singing for his girlfriend in the movie. Kindly sing that song, few lines.
Okay. చెట్టు లెక్కగలవా నరహరి గుట లెక్కగలవా చెట్టు లెక్కగలనే చెంచిత గుట లెక్కగలనే చెట్టు లెక్కగలనే చిటారు కొమ్మన తేనె పట్టు తేగలనే. This is song.
So Dr. Satnarayan, here in this song, the great philosopher and thinker and the poet who composed these lyrics, he is telling that Nageswar Rao becomes so much inspired by the love of his girl, women, that he is telling, I can climb the mountain, I can bring any supreme thing from the heaven, I can do all impossible and the most difficult task for you because you love me. So message in this movie I want to tell, in this film, to my sisters and brothers all over the world. Enjoy the love of a woman and enjoy the love of your husband or boyfriend or girlfriend. And it should be true. It should not be deceiving or cheating or just for sexual gratification, because that is not going to make you anything. You will be just like a dogs and beaches. Everywhere you see dogs, beaches, animals, everyone have a natural instinct to have sexual gratification, but that is not going to make anyone great. You can just progenate, millions and billions of people are there, but how many are great? Now my friend Dr. Napoleon, he'll give examples that the true love of a woman have made the most powerful person on earth. And every successful great human being, man has got great women before her. Napoleon the Great, the most strategic war fighter was Napoleon. Of course, he lost the battle of, the St. Helena, sent to St. Helena, the war of Waterloo to the British, but still he was the great ferocious fighter. He was a terror. When he was crossing Alps and there was a lot of resistance and his soldiers were not ready to cross over, he said, there is no Alps, go! See, he told, it is your mental weakness that you are saying there is arms. There is no Alps mountain, it is a plain. 50% perished, frozen to death, but they crossed over. Once he was also attacking the British, and the British has made some kind of camouflage. His path was really made big pit where all his soldiers and everyone will be seeing. It was so deft, camouflage, meant that they covered with grass and all. But somehow he could sense it, that there is some traps to destroy his soldiers and to kill him. He could discover it. Then his commander came and told, there is a trap in camouflage, what he should do. He told, don't worry, we can cross over it, but how to do it? There is no time. He told, cut all your soldiers 50% and your all horses and fill it. That courage. And why? He has a very powerful lady. Whenever he went to the battlefield, he will ask, now I am going. He told, you will win, go. I am there with you. My love is with you. You understand? Then I will not take you a lot of time. The Abraham Lincoln, the greatest man. History has never seen people like Napoleon the Great, Abraham Lincoln, Alexander the Great. They were all made great by the love of a true woman. You understand? Abraham Lincoln loved his girlfriend and his wife so much that when there was a conflict, civil war between North and South America, the South did never like Emancipation Proclamation, that right to equality to the blacks and whites. So they were inimical to him. So there was a civil war. Then General Grant fought for him and he conquered the South. And after the settlement, Gettysburg Address, what he gave, where all the people were buried, he wanted to go to a theatre to give company to his wife. So all suggested him not to visit the theatre because there was a lot of enemy for him. Anybody can kill him. He told, don't worry. I believe in destiny. But I cannot hurt my wife. Because of her wife, my wife, I am a great man. Because of my mother, I am the great son. Let me die. Once I have to die. But I cannot, tell my wife that I am not going with you. He went there and there was a Bruce. He just shot him dead. So dear friends, what I tell you, you must have realized in your life, if somebody truly loves you, particularly the female part to a man, the man become energized, the man become enthusiastic, the man behaves, he is a superhuman. Like you see a lot of movies, there is a girl who is really the source of inspiration. Death has nothing to harm him. Difficulties are never going to stop him. Any kind of turbulence, any kind of unsurmountable barriers cannot stop him because he is enjoying the support, the inspiration and the love of a woman. Then you will say, why are you telling women, why not men? See, this is the power of sex, the supreme power of sex. This is the most powerful emotion. If you see the man is not sexually active, what do you call it? Vasectomy? Vasectomy or tubectomy for women, then the man becomes so dull that he will be like a dead body. That is the power of sex and that is indirectly the power of the woman. Got your answer?
Good, thank you.
What is that bottom line? You tell bottom line. What is the... No, you have to tell. Bottom line is what we'll tell together.
See, actually in the men's there is a success of the men, behind there is a woman.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.